Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. June is National Veggie and Fruit Month, as well as this first week of June being the National Garden Week. And we're going to kind of wrap all of this up into one, and we're going to talk about a wonderful broccoli salad. But I'm just finishing my broccoli for the season because here where I live, broccoli does really well in the winter and the spring. But now that we're into the late spring, I take my broccoli out and then I put more of the summer fall vegetables in. So today I'm picking a few of my little broccolis that are left, and then I'm going to talk to you about this wonderful broccoli salad. Always good to pick your veggies right before you want to use them because that's when they're really sweet. Otherwise, the sugar does start turning to starch. It's still going to last a week at least in your refrigerator, but the sooner you use them, the better they taste. So let's go up to the kitchen.